So this question is asking us, a rectangle is inscribed in a region bounded by a circle, x squared plus y squared equal to 25. What is that circle? A circle at origin, centered at origin, and radius 5. Centered at origin and radius 5. And the x-axis in the upper half of the plane as shown below. So basically, one side is sitting on the x-axis, one vertex sits on the first quadrant and the other one on the second quadrant. And because it's a rectangle, it's very symmetric about the y-axis. Now, and x-axis, so fill in the blank, express the height of the rectangle y as a function of x in terms of x only. So here's the height, and that is incidentally the y value of this point vertex on the circle. So I can actually look at the equation of the circle and then solve for y by isolating y first, and then take the square root. I don't have to do quadratic for this. There are too many variables. And then when I take the square root and I don't forget the plus and minus, I realize, oh, y is the length in this case. And it's a positive value. So I get rid of the negative one over here. And so I write square root of 25 minus x squared. Then the next question is asking, express the area of the rectangle as a function of x. Now, let's look at the rectangle. That was the height, and here is x. So this was y. This is x. But then this is the width of the rectangle. What do? Because of the symmetry, this has to be x as well, this length. And basically, this is going to be negative x and y. So the length still is x, not negative x. And so what I have is area is equal to 2 times x times y. And y in terms of x is there. So it's going to be 2x times square root of 25 minus x squared. The next question is asking, what is the domain of the function, of such function? Let's think about this. Domain input variable is x. And x in here can be placed anywhere in the first quadrant. It can go as close as it wants to this to 0. And then if let's say x is very close to 0, a point will be up there, and you will have and imagine this is a rectangle. It's not curvy. It looks like that, very long, and if x is close to 5, you will get such rectangle, like very wide, very short. And so it seems like anything between 0 and 5, if I include 0 and 5, there won't be any area. There won't be a rectangle. So that's the perfect answer for it.